Okay, guys. So we're gonna do a exit road hike review. Scenic lookout point review. So
I mean, can we really do that today?
I think we can appreciate it for what it is.
Okay.
The reality is that sounds like that's what that place is for most of the time.
It says usually you can get about 20 miles visual.
Okay. Well, it also said that down below they get about 55 centimeter or inches of rain.
Yeah.
You're looking me up, trying to be all European. And up there they get 82 inches of rain. So it seems like it's kind of just overcast a lot up there.
Interesting.
I think when they say usually see that long, it's like
You wish.
sometimes you can see that long. You don't put pictures up of all the sites.
That's true. That's
Unless
very true.
you don't get to see the
This
sites.
is what you should be seeing
Right,
if there
right.
weren't clouds in the way.
Right.
That's very true. That's awesome. Okay, so what are we leaving?
What's that? Oh, it's like something
Clingman's Dome.
Clingman's Dome. There it is. Supposedly the highest point in the park, right?
Yes.
The road up there is very cool. I think the road, like we did a scenic drive yesterday, and I bet this would be even more scenic because you're like driving right along the top of the mountain at some points.
But not today. It's not more scenic today.
Correct.
Okay.
But it still does kind of feel like you're, floating through the clouds driving along.
That's true.
Which is kind of cool. My theory is that Great Smoky Mountains are from cloud cover, but I don't know how it got that term. Hike, to me that's a very doable hike. If it wasn't cold and wet, half mile.
0.7.
Oh, was it 0.7?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I think.
For getting up to a nice observatory and looking around, pretty doable.
It was inclined, but it was an easy, steady incline.
And it has the big signs up there that it's not an ADA accessible trail. The trail is perfectly paved all the way up. You can easily get a stroller up there. You don't even need a jogger, just a regular stroller to get up there. A little bit of a trek for a stroller, but
Someone willing to push it.
yeah. And it's really just a straight shot. You make one turn near the end and you're there. Otherwise it's straight up. But especially if it was sunny, I could see that as being one of the highlights.
Yeah, you could see everywhere. I think that would be a very neat experience.
Yeah.
I mean, it was neat for what it was, but it just wasn't.
Yeah. How about you, Hunter? What do you think about it? What did you like about the hike? Did you like that stream you found that was going down the hill?
Did you like jumping in puddles?
Even on the tall spot.
You liked being on the tall spot?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. You did a great job getting up there. What about you, Ro? Hey, Rockwell. What did you like about that hike? You don't know?
So everyone got soaked through. I think Mom was geared out the best. Smart mom. Dad packed today, so everyone got soaked through, but no one really complained. Everyone seemed to be having enough fun. It was, looking at my in-car temperature,
About 50, right?
it was 42 when we got out, but it was about 50 down low. So it was about 8 degrees cooler up here than from down kind of in the valley. So, and they made it sound like that's the norm. It's cold right there. So,
I would totally do that again.
Absolutely. I'd give, that was a nice point. That to me was kind of the highlight, really. We had a nice hike yesterday, but it was down, it was near the road, it was, or the day before, whenever that was. Oh, I guess the waterfall was cool. I still like that a little more, I think. What'd you like?
I mean, I liked it all. Like, it's just a different thing when we're kind of competing against the weather.
It is different.
But this was fun for what it was, and the boys did great. The waterfall was cool. And I even liked the scenic drive. The whatever that cove drive was.
Yeah. A lot of turkeys, a lot of deer. I bet you, I guarantee there's some good sighting of elk or bear up there at certain points.
That's the third time you said beer instead of bear.
Guess we know what's on my mind.
Yeah, right. But we did see a bear.
We did see
So
a
our
bear.
first bear in a national park.
Ironically, we saw a bear like right on the road. We're hiking, we're going into the forest, into the woods, and the bear's just hanging out near the road.
Dude, I would rather see it on the road than on a trail.
That's very
Thank
true.
you very much.
Very true.